Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 GMC Terrain SLE all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9137XX. Only 30,000 miles and there's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Crystal red in color. The Terrain is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. A backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. No dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 30,000 miles, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Terrain has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.